I have entitled this message, The Power in Desire. Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich, said that the starting point of all achievement is desire. What will it take for you to make positive, significant, and lasting changes in your life? What would it take for you to create a life that you absolutely love? You see, when you have a true desire, and when we talk about true desire, we're talking about a burning desire. When you have that burning desire, you will have the inner commitment to do the work necessary in making positive, significant, and lasting changes in your life. It is true desire. It is that burning desire that will propel you into action. Pablo Picasso said that action is the foundational key to all success. So, check the fire in your desire if you want to make positive changes in your life. You see, that's where the power is. It's that fire that you must have in your desire. You see, without that burning desire, you won't have what you need to keep the sustained action necessary to even get started well, let alone finish what you hope that you would accomplish. Your desire to change must be greater than your desire to stay the same. Napoleon Hill, again, the author of Think and Grow Rich, talks about the impulse or thought of desire must be translated into action. If you are determined to change your life, you must do something other than just think about it. Wishing and hoping for change will not produce the results that you want. You must take action. Again, your desire to change must be greater than your desire to stay the same. Tony Robbins says that knowing is not enough. You must take action.